In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix the Discord app. When it refuses to open or start on your PC, there isn't one solution that works for everyone. So follow each step carefully until you find the one that works for you. First, let's begin by clearing the cache data. Click on the Start menu and search for the word Run. Select the Run app. Inside the Run box, type in %, app data, %. Then press Enter. A folder will open. Here, look for a folder called Discord. Open it. Inside, you will see 3 folders that we need to delete. These are Cache, Code Cache, and GPU Cache. Right-click each one and select Delete. If you get an error that says the folder cannot be deleted, it means Discord is still running in the background. To fix this, press Ctrl, Alt, and Delete on your keyboard. Open Task Manager. In the search bar at the top, type Discord. Right-click on Discord and choose End Task. Now return to the folder and try deleting the cache again. It should delete successfully this time. Don't worry, these folders are safe to delete. Discord will recreate them when you restart the app. If that didn't solve your problem, the next step is to run Discord as an administrator. Go to your desktop, locate the Discord shortcut, right-click and choose Properties. Go to the Compatibility tab. Here, check Disable Full Screen Optimizations. Also check Run this program as an administrator. Click Apply and then OK to save changes. Still not working? The next fix is to check your system for corrupted or missing files. Click on Start and type CMD. Right-click Command Prompt and choose Run as Administrator. Inside this black window, type SFC/scan now. Then press Enter. This scan will take several minutes. It will automatically repair any missing or corrupt system files. Once that is done, we need to make sure Windows Firewall isn't blocking Discord. Go to Start and type Windows Defender Firewall. Open it. On the left side, click Allow an app or feature through Windows Defender Firewall. Click Change Settings. Then, click Allow another app. Select Browse and find the Discord application. If you don't know where Discord is installed, here's the easiest way. Go back to your desktop, right-click on the Discord shortcut and select Open File Location. Copy the location from the top bar. Now paste it inside the Browse window. Select the Discord update file. Click Add. Make sure both private and public are checked. Then press OK to save the settings. By following these steps carefully, you should be able to fix Discord not opening on your PC. If you still face issues, leave a comment below and I'll try to assist you further. If this video helped, don't forget to drop a like and subscribe for more fixes. Until next time.